that truck. Now you want me to waste my gas to pick him up from Mako. Down here, he love that truck. But you see, we in the BMW, so we'll go pick him up, man. We'll pick him up. You know. Oh snaps! My brother about. Let me not break nothing. Let me not break nothing. Let me not break nothing. He about to take his truck to Mako. You know, get him one of them Mako special paint jobs on this thing. Y'all see what it looks like beforehand. Y'all see. This is his truck. You know. Kinda, I guess he just probably sanded off a little rust spot that it did have. Another little spot right there. Y'all seen this truck beforehand. You're gonna have to get a new little grill. And then we're gonna see what it looked like after Mako. Man, look, it's already a little rough. But I mean, it's a truck. Z71 off-road. GMC Sierra. So take it to Mako. So my brother wants to take his truck to Mako, so we about to go get one of the Mako paint job special, and we're gonna see the process. I didn't show y'all him putting all these parts on it and all that extra stuff they didn't done to it, cause I mean, y'all already see what it looks like now, but hey, it's his truck. He invested in it. He been wanting the truck, man. The trucks is hard to find, especially those trucks. Like those trucks at the auction been going for literally like $4 grand, $5 grand. So, you know, he got his for a good deal. I forgot exactly how much he paid for it, but he got the exhaust fixed, put some parts on it, and now he about to take it to Mako, and we're gonna see how Mako turns it out and how it turns out at the Mako paint job. So let's go drop this thing off. I guarantee he gonna smash up out of here. Look, you hear him squealing tires out there. Love dogging. And that's why definitely he need a truck. Like, he always smash. Look at that dogging out. Now he about to go to Mako. Oh yeah, y'all see him out there smashing that truck, man. You love it. Love dogging. You gonna love putting his foot in there. I know he ready to get this thing painted. No, he ready to get it painted. Literally, Mako is literally like less than 5 minutes away from the shop. It's really like, if y'all see it, like it's over there. It's literally like 5 minutes away. Where are we at right now? We're on Shields. We're on like 7 different Shields, really, or something like that. It's literally around the corner. Y'all know where y'all see what we at. Got the SS Monte Carlo up here. This thing is clean. Y'all can hear me. That thing nice. That thing nice. That's a classic Chevy right there. That's nice. Black? I think you should go blue. I say go blue and then get you some black wheels. You got blue, get you some black wheels.
Blue's a nice color on these things. They tend to go bluish sharp.
You gonna tint it? Tint it, get you some black wheels. Yeah, alright. Black. Woo!
It's not a high dollar vehicle, right? It's not this year.
No, this whole year's out of whack.
This year,
you can't run off regular schedule.
Oh, no, you can't count on nothing. I got so much going on.
He back at Mako. Every time he want to come to Mako, he want to come to Mako on the coldest days. 2 coldest days he come to Mako.
I really can't just leave it though.
You might as well buy it and get it out, get the junker out the shop.
Yeah, bro.
The platinum package. Mako.
Paint only.
Paint only, 1-year warranty. Ain't really got no real, got good gloss. Then you got $479 right there. You got 2-year, better there. Still the same gloss. Then we got you step up to $579, but you know once you get that $1,200,
See, you get the 5-star treatment.
you get that 5-star treatment.
$1,350.
You get the base coat with the performance clear coat.
I thought 5 stars are how you can get it. 86 on the durability and gloss. Guaranteed.
Light chips and scratch repair 79, excessive chip repair 149, paint removal $99 per panel plus material. Universal sealer, premium. And what the heck, the platinum package? Platinum package, the integration of new paint with overall refinishing. $26 for the platinum package. Feather edge, acid, mask all over chrome spot. Yeah, look at that. They had to ask you, man, before you choose, how long will you keep your vehicle? How did you maintain your vehicle? What elements will your vehicle be exposed to? What is a desired final appearance for the vehicle? Knowing what's included: surface cleaning, surface sand for adhesive, masking for all areas, minimizing overspray, heat cured finish. They put a heat cured finish on this truck. Let's see how it turned out. Not too bad. Really, just get some fender flares, you'll be all right. Good paint job. Get some better wheels. Wheel side. Get some better rims, get some fender flares. Be all right. Way better than what it used to look like. Yeah, you need some better rims, some better tires, and some fender flares. You'll be good to go. And put some better pipes on to make it sound better. So yeah, I see. I took my brother to go pick up his truck. I mean, paint job turned out good, you know, from what y'all watching the whole video. I put the whole video in one, so y'all see like what it looked like before and how it looks after. So it came out looking nice, you know. He gets some new rims and tires, get a better exhaust system on there, make it sound better, and can grab him some fender flares. He'll be good to go, you know. Hey, you know, can't beat it, you know. He ain't got much money invested in the truck, cause you know how it looked before the paint job, and before he even put those parts on there, it didn't even look that well. So So he ain't got a lot of money invested in it, but now after it's painted, now that it looks nice, you know, he can easily sell that truck for, you know, he can put some fender flares on it just to cover up that little wheel well, and you could probably sell that truck easily $4 grand, $4,500. Now that you got the paint job on it, so you know, so he got it. It's profit if he wants to ever sell it, but he's probably not going to sell it. He's probably going to keep it. But paint job came out really good. You know, I don't know how long a Mako paint job is going to hold up. So this is one of the first times we took a vehicle ourselves, a personal vehicle, to Mako to get it painted. So I'll keep tabs on it and over the time, and you know, as more of our drop videos, I'll show it more later and seeing how the paint job holds up. But yeah, thank y'all guys for tuning in. I appreciate you for tuning in and appreciate all you guys' support. And if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop your comments below. What y'all think of the paint job? And also, what would y'all suggest he do to his vehicle? So let me know some suggestions that I can pass on to him, you know. Or if you have the same type of truck, what are some things that you done to your truck personally that you think he should do to his truck that, you know, might work? But appreciate you guys once again. I'm out. Peace.